बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। आज बच्चे हम पढ़ने जा रहे हैं अल्कोहल फिनोल ईथर चैप्टर नंबर 18 लेक्चर 4। और बच्चे आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे रिएक्टिविटी ऑफ अल्कोहल्स। नाउ बच्चे रिएक्टिविटी की जब हम बात करते हैं अल्कोहल के लिए, वी नो दैट इन अल्कोहल्स ROH बॉन्ड इज प्रेजेंट। R मींस कार्बन, कार्बन का बॉन्ड विद ऑक्सीजन एंड हाइड्रोजन. Due to high electronegativity of oxygen, it contain partial negative charge. और बच्चे हाइड्रोजन पे और कार्बन पे दोनों ऑक्सीजन से लेस इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिव हैं, both contain positive charge. It means there are two types of possible reactions given by alcohols. Number one, अगर आप OH बॉन्ड यहाँ से ब्रेक हो जाए, means loss of hydrogen. अगर आप अल्कोहल में से H को लूज करें, रिएक्शन ड्यू टू लॉस ऑफ हाइड्रोजन. नाउ इन दीज रिएक्शंस व्हाट हैपेंस? OH बॉन्ड break in this reaction. When they lose hydrogen, it means they behave as acidic, means alcohol having acidic nature by the loss of hydrogen. Although they are weak acid, but due to loss of proton they behave as acid. एस ओ के पास लॉन पेयर है, नेगेटिव चार्ज है, इट एक्ट एज न्यूक्लियोफाइल, और जब इस पे इलेक्ट्रोफाइल अटैक करेगा ऑन ऑक्सीजन, देन लॉस ऑफ एच टेक प्लेस. सो आल्सो नेम्ड एज दीस रिएक्शंस आर इलेक्ट्रोफिलिक रिएक्शंस. इलेक्ट्रोफिलिक रिएक्शन. तो ये बच्चे हमारे पास एमसीक्यूज के लिए बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट. दीज आर द पॉइंट्स जो आपको एमसीक्यूज के लिए तैयार भी करने होंगे. लॉस ऑफ हाइड्रोजन, OH बॉन्ड ब्रेक, एसिडिक नेचर और इलेक्ट्रोफिलिक रिएक्शंस ऑफ अल्कोहल्स. नाउ बच्चे सेकंड कैटेगरी, अगर आप CO बॉन्ड को ब्रेक कर दो, अगर आप CO बॉन्ड को ब्रेक करते हैं, देन व्हाट हैपेंस? तो आपका पूरा OH यहां से रिमूव होगा. सो वी से रिएक्शन ड्यू टू लॉस ऑफ OH ग्रुप. अगर आपका OH निकल जाए, सेकंड ऑप्शन ड्यू टू CO बॉन्ड ब्रेक. अगर आपका CO बॉन्ड ब्रेक हो जाए, CO bond break होने से loss of OH take place. And the next one is they are also called, क्योंकि आपके कार्बन पे अगर न्यूक्लियोफाइल अटैक करता है, then CO bond break और loss of OH take place. These are nucleophilic reaction. Nucleophilic reaction. In these reaction loss of OH take place. और बच्चे लास्ट वन, क्योंकि OH लॉस हो रहा है, act as base as well. Their basic nature is due to loss of OH group. ये बच्चे हमारे पास short introduction regarding reactivity of alcohol. So we say finally it gives two types of reactions: reaction due to loss of hydrogen and reaction due to loss of OH. तो ये बच्चे आपके MCQ के लिए बहुत important. And now we discuss one by one both these cases. Number one, we discuss about reaction due to loss of OH. In these type of reactions, what happens? We take alcohols like CH3, CH2, OH. We take any alcohol here, reacting by any nucleophile, that is NU with lone pair or negative charge as well. It attacks on carbon, and your answer is CH3, CH2 plus by the loss of OH negative. So that's form कार्बोकैटाइन. तो ये बच्चा आपका बना कार्बोकैटाइन. तो एक बात आपके जहन में रहे, कार्बोकैटाइन जितना स्टेबल होगा उतनी रिएक्टिविटी अल्कोहल की ज्यादा होगी. मीन स्टेबल द कार्बोकैटाइन, हाई इज द रिएक्टिविटी ऑफ अल्कोहल. तो रिएक्टिविटी इन दीज रिएक्शन दैट डिपेंड्स अपॉन स्टेबिलिटी ऑफ कार्बोकैटाइन. जितना कार्बोकैटाइन स्टेबल होगा उतनी रिएक्टिविटी फास्ट होगी, ज्यादा होगी. फॉर एग्जांपल, इफ वी डिस्कस अबाउट द कार्बोकैटाइन्स इन केस ऑफ टर्शियरी अल्कोहल, अगर आप टर्शियरी अल्कोहल में से OH को रिमूव करते हो, आप टर्शियरी अल्कोहल में से OH इज रिमूव्ड, आफ्टर रिमूविंग OH यू गॉट पॉजिटिव आयन ऑन कार्बन, दैट इज योर टर्शियरी अल्कोहल का कार्बोकैटाइन. Now due to electron donating nature of alkyl group, इलेक्ट्रॉन डोनेट करेगा और इस पॉजिटिव आयन को मोर स्टेबल कर देगा. As 3 alkyls donating electron towards carbon and stabilize the carbocation formed from tertiary alcohol. It means tertiary alcohols are the most reactive alcohols. In case of secondary alcohol, The carbocation formed here, one H is there with OH. After losing OH, you got carbocation of secondary alcohol. Here there are two alkyl groups. They donate electron, stabilize the cation, but not as in case of tertiary carbocation. It is less stable. That's why secondary alcohols are less reactive as compared to tertiary alcohols. In case of primary carbocation formed from primary alcohol, there is only one alkyl group, one electron donating group. That's why it is less stable or least reactive alcohol. That is your primary alcohol. So the final activity order in case of loss of OH, that is tertiary alcohols, are the most reactive, then secondary alcohol and primary alcohol are the least reactive alcohols. बस बच्चे आपने ये बात ध्यान में रखनी है, reactivity depends upon stability of carbocation, that is final. Now we discuss reaction due to loss of hydrogen. In these reactions what happens? बच्चे इन reactions में जब आप loss of H की बात करते हो, then you got alcohol CH3 CH2 OH. आप कोई alcohol यूज कर सकते हो. Reacting by electrophile that attacks on oxygen and loss of H take place. You got CH3 CH2O minus by the loss of proton. That is your alk oxide ion. General name alk oxide ion. That is named as eth oxide ion. Eth oxide ion. In that case, reactivity depends upon stability of alk oxide ion. Alk oxide ion, जितना alk oxide stable होगा उतनी reactivity alcohol की ज्यादा होगी. Now we discuss in case of methyl. If we take all hydrogen with alpha carbon, that is the alk oxide ion, here the hydrogen is electron accepting. इलेक्ट्रॉन को एक्सेप्ट करेगा और नेगेटिव आयन की स्टेबिलिटी को स्ट्रॉन्ग करेगा. दैट्स व्हाई इट इंक्रीज द रिएक्टिविटी ऑफ प्राइमरी अल्कोहल. सो वी से दैट इज CH3OH and primary alcohol are most reactive alcohol when loss of hydrogen take place. If we take one alkyl, that is again primary alcohol, अगर आप इसका H रिमूव करते हो, you got the negative ion, but due to presence of alkyl it is electron donating. तो ये इस इलेक्ट्रॉन को नेगेटिव चार्ज को ऑक्सीजन पे डिस्टेबल करेगा. That's why due to this alkyl group that is less stable and less reactive as compared to this methyl alcohol, that is CH3CH2OH, that is your less stable. In case of two alkyl groups attached with the alk oxide ion, then these two alkyl donate electron and destabilize the negative ion more strongly. इसको और destabilize कर देगा due to two alkyl group. There is only one alkyl. It means that secondary alcohol, are less reactive as compared to primary alcohols. And in case of tertiary alcohol, there are three alkyl present with alpha carbon that destabilize the negative ion more and more strongly by electron donating nature of inductive effect. That's why it is highly unstable and least reactive tertiary alcohol. ये हमारे पास concept again नेगेटिव आयन की स्टेबिलिटी रिएक्टिविटी को एनहांस करती है. तो अगर आपके एमसीक्यूज में आ जाए which of the following is the strongest reactive, very reactive in nature, तो methyl alcohol is the most reactive, then other primary alcohols, then secondary alcohol, and the least reactive is tertiary alcohol. Now जो हम डिस्कस करते हैं reaction due to loss of OH, reactions due to loss of OH group or nucleophilic reactions of alcohols. If we take alcohols, रिएक्शन ड्यू टू लॉस ऑफ OH के लिए वी टेक जनरल रिएक्शन, इसके डिटेल मैकेनिज्म आपको कमिंग वीडियो लेक्चर में डिटेल से मिल जाएंगे। नाउ we have different kinds of reaction. Number one, reaction with phosphorus pentachloride or pentabromide, phosphorus trichloride or pentabromide, reaction with thionyl chloride SOCl2, and reaction with hydrogen halides by using anhydrous zinc chloride, that is also named as Lucas test. That is also named as Darson reactions. In the coming video lectures, you got the mechanisms and complete detail of these reactions. Now when PCl5 react with alcohol, आपको OH remove करना है in all these reactions. You got alkyl halide with the formation of POCl3 and HCl. Here your answer is again alkyl halide. आप इन सारों में alkyl halide बनाओगे by losing OH and Cl attack. In all these reactions, OH loss take place. Here you got RCl alkyl halide and phosphorus acid H3PO3. In these reactions, you got alkyl halide, you got sulfur dioxide, and you got HCl as well. These are the gaseous product, and we know that in the previous chapter we discussed this one is the best method to prepare alkyl halide as byproducts are in gaseous state. Here you got water with alkyl halide that is used to identify between primary, secondary and tertiary alcohol. ये बच्चे हम डिटेल से डिस्कस करेंगे with its mechanism as well. ये बच्चे आपको शॉर्ट समरी थी just for your understanding के loss of OH के लिए which type of reactions are possible. Now we discuss reaction due to loss of hydrogen. Loss of hydrogen. ये बच्चा आपका फर्स्ट रिएक्शन है रिएक्शन विद सोडियम मेटल. We take alcohol like CH3, CH2OH reacting by sodium metal. Then you got आप H को रिमूव करें and your answer is CH3, CH2ONA by the loss of H2 gas. In this reaction loss of H take place. बाकी इसको आप बैलेंस कर लो, ये आपका बच्चे बैलेंस रिएक्शन. The second option is alcohol reacting by Grignard reagent. We write CH3, CH2OH. Reacting by Grignard reagent, we take CH3, MgBr. In Grignard reagent, you take always dry ether for the reaction. Again, बच्चा आप H को lose करोगे, that attacks on the negative alkyl group. You got methane along with Mg. This Br for Mg and this OCH2CH3 goes to magnesium CH2CH3. Now in the next reaction, the third reaction alcohol reacting by carboxylic acid. आप अल्कोहल का रिएक्शन करा रहे हो with carboxylic acid. You got ester, mean esterification COOH. Remove. We need hydrogen for the reaction. Acid as catalyst. You have to remove OH from carboxylic acid, H from alcohol, and your answer is, look at that, CH3 C double bond O. अब बच्चे यहाँ से अटैक करेगा OCH2CH3. ये बच्चा आपका बना ester OCH2CH3 by the loss of water, and that is named as ethyl. 2 carbon left behind means ethanoate. Ethanoate, that is the ester formed during esterification. In the coming chapter we have the detailed mechanism of this reaction in next chapter. Fourth one is reaction of glycerol. The formula for glycerol, that is your trihydric alcohol. इसके पास 3 OH present है, that is named as glycerol. When glycerol reacting by nitric acid HNO3, अगर हम इसको ओपन कर लें, may write as HONO2 ताकि आपको समझने में आसानी हो. अच्छा, आपने इन सब जगह से H को रिमूव करना है and remove OH from nitric acid. We have to remove 3H from glycerol. We need 3 nitric acids. यहाँ से बच्चे आप H रिमूव करेंगे, यहाँ से H रिमूव करेंगे, and your answers are CH2O सिंगल बॉन्ड CHO सिंगल बॉन्ड CH2O और यहां से ट्रेस करेंगे NO2. So that compound formed in this reaction that is named as nitroglycerin. That is called nitroglycerin by the formation of water. तो ये बच्चे हमारे पास रिएक्शन थे, reaction due to loss of hydrogen. इनकी complete detail with no mechanism in this chapter. We discuss the straightforward reaction. In all these reactions, you observe that hydrogen is removed from alcohol. तो ये हमारे पास टॉपिक था आज का. तो आज इस पर यहाँ पर एंड करेंगे. In the coming video lecture, we discuss about the mechanisms of reaction of alcohol due to loss of OH.